Uniden's new AppCam home cameras are a great way to keep an eye on the kids or pets while you're away from home, or in the next room, and can be accessed through your smartphone from anywhere in the world. The AppCam home camera has 2K resolution to ensure you see the finer detail in the video. The camera also has up to 355 degrees of pan and 50 degrees of vertical tilt, ensuring you can monitor an entire room with just one camera. And if it's facing a window, you can keep an eye outdoors too. With support for night vision as well, Uniden's AppCam Home ensures you won't miss a thing, whether it's day or night. The cameras pre-record up to 4 seconds before a motion trigger, so you can see what happened leading up to an event. And two-way audio means you can communicate through the camera if you need to.
Hey matey.
A Uniden camera isn't only for your home security. An indoor camera can be a great way to capture moments you'd otherwise have missed. Dual backup functionality means footage can be stored locally on a micro SD card, or backed up to the cloud with 7 days of rolling backup for free for the life of the product. But paid plans are available if you need a longer term backup. Uniden's AppCam home cameras are a great way to keep up with what's going on at home and help keep your loved ones safe.